Morning! Welcome to Compliance Over Coffee. Can't believe it's Thursday again, but it is.
And March.
And March, Tony says. So, if you've read the title, you'll say, Tina, you've been drinking too much of that coffee. What are you talking about? Would you drive your car without insurance, MOT and tax? But really, it's a really simple question, and I know that the vast majority of you would say, of course we wouldn't. Of course we wouldn't. It's against the law, it's daft, it's just what you do. You get on with it and you do it. You do it because you know that you should and because you believe that doing the right thing is the right thing to do. And recently I've gone back to doing face-to-face training, presentations, which is great, by the way, I really like it. But it means that people can really sort of ask you questions and dig deep and all that sort of thing, which is great. And I realised when we were away this last time that quite a few people actually just don't know. It's not that they don't want to do the right thing, it's that they just don't know. And these people tax the car, they insure the car, they make sure the car is MOT, they make sure that it's fit to be on the road. And they want to operate professional businesses. But just like having your car, and before you're driving it, having your driving licence, having passed your test, having it fit for purpose, having insurance, MOT, etc., it's exactly the same when you're setting up a business. There are some things that you have to have before you drive that business off the driveway and onto the road and start mixing with clients and taking in money. And just as the MOT and the driving licence and everything around your car is a form of compliance, don't kid yourselves, it is a form of compliance. It is legislation, it is regulation, it is what you have to do, it makes no difference. So is the compliance around running your business. And it's equally important that you understand it and you know it. So you wouldn't drive your car without understanding how to drive it, so why do people set up sourcing business without understanding exactly what's involved? A couple of reasons, probably. One, they try to learn everything themselves but don't know where to go. Two, they go for training and they're told bits and pieces of it but not the whole picture. And I've talked with an awful lot of people at face-to-face events recently that had done training and just didn't know the whole picture. And when they finished talking to me, they were shocked about how big a gap there was in their education, which wasn't fluff, it was actually legally required stuff. So think about setting up your business and running it kind of setting up your car and your education on how to drive it before you drive it off that driveway and onto the road. Think about your business in that way. You wouldn't, I hope, drive your car without insurance because all of us in this group want to operate professionally. So why would you believe that it's okay to set up a sourcing business and put the bits in place a bit at a time whilst you're getting experience? Because you don't buy your car, get it MOT, but say I'll wait and get my insurance in 6 months' time. Or I'll have my car on the drive and I'll drive it around the block a few times, but I haven't got a MOT for it or tax at the minute, but I paid for the insurance. You wouldn't do it because you know that it's wrong. Well, all of you in the group by now should know that it's wrong to operate a sourcing business without having everything in place first before you start. It isn't okay to do it in stages. No more than it's okay to drive your car without anything that's legally required for you to be able to do it. It's exactly the same. So that was what I just wanted to talk to you about this morning, just to get that point across. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back with you again with a live Compliance Over Coffee next Thursday, the same time, 8:30. In the meantime, have a fabulous weekend, and I really hope the sun shines where you are, guys. Bye for now.